bring it. Girl. Awesome.
Texas.
Texas, I don't know. Some lake in Texas.
So I am just preparing dinner now. We have some quinoa here that I just made. And then I have some ingredients over here for a salad tonight. I have just some lettuce, shredded carrot, red bell pepper, cucumber, some kale. We are currently in Texas. We did do like a little bit of a hike slash walk near Lake. Sorry, I'm just watching Dan and Kona. Hold on.
There's so many prickers. She got some on all 4 paws.
I thought she was just being bad. I saw you
No,
carrying her back.
it's okay, it's okay.
Hi, Pop.
She's got these prickers, all 4 of her paws, like this. Look at this one. Ouch.
Stop licking the table. Stop it. Salad. Okay, there we go. Can't really focus
You got it.
on mixing while Dan is holding the camera right here. This looks like the salad you get from McDonald's.
Sad. That's such a sad salad. Sad face. She's upset. Mad? You look sad. Let's see your mad face. Oh, the hood's going up. She's laughing, not mad.
So we finally made it to New Mexico. Dan and I are currently running some errands. We picked up some Rain-X. We are now at the UPS store to make a few returns. And then next, after this run, we are going to Discount Tire to get new tires for our car. Kona's actually just been perfect this whole trip. I should stop saying it's a trip because we actually live in the van now. We'll be in Albuquerque up until this Saturday, heading to Sedona, Arizona. I've been enjoying my time. I've been able to get quite a bit of work done, even while being on the road, which is really nice. And
Kona, off.
And he's back. I was just talking about the overall feel of Albuquerque. And I said it's very southwestern. I don't really know how to describe it.
Southwest desert town.
Desert town.
We're at Discount Tire and we're gonna get some new all-terrain tires. It's gonna be great.
The tires are getting changed. We thought we'd go for a little walk. So we're strolling around this little neighborhood. What are you eating?
Peanut butter crackers and an apple.
Kona's probably really thirsty at this point. Kona, it's okay, down. today we just kind of decided to stay inside because it's a little bit cold, so we're not like really exploring the area yet. Both Dan and I are working on our computers. Yeah, do you have anything to add?
No.
This is our little work situation. And we're not filming my face today. Toilet paper for business outside.
Non-trouble business.
This is how great, look at this like working situation we have set up. I love it. I'm working on the video. Why does it come out so orange? There's the video. And then our floor is just tracking so much mud right now. We really need to get a mat for the van. There's Kona. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. I don't like it. It's too cold.
Danielle and her new spiralizer.
Spiralized beats!
Closer to the edge, that's what you say, huh? Coming from this grab.
So we are currently in Page, Arizona, which this place is so beautiful. We are just parked up right next to this ridgeway. Here's the van. Planning on staying here for a bit and then meeting up with Dan's family to do some more exploring. Hi!
Hey! Just watching some motocross right now, and then when Danielle goes on her run, I'm gonna do some stretching. My parents came down, we met them in Albuquerque, and they have rented an RV, and they'll be here for like the next 3 weeks, so we're kind of seeing them on and off as we make a loop around New Mexico and Arizona, kind of meeting up with them a few spots.
It's so bad, isn't it?
Hold on, dude.
Where are we at? We're here at Horseshoe Bend. We just parked inside the parking lot. It's about $10 to park and a 15-minute trail to the view.
That's right.
Oh, careful.
For me, good point of view of the shoes.
I'll get it.
These don't count.
It's fine.
Fake dangles.
I'm not doing fake dangles. I'm just filming our hand. I think it's really beautiful. Worth visiting. Crazy. We're here. It's video right now. You want photos?
Yeah, just someone does.
Made it.
They're the hanging gardens. I was wondering, is it like
Wait.
hanging rocks? Oh man, it's so pretty.